Hey there, it's Mike back at Payam Data Recovery with a case study about Ben, a Melbourne customer and his dead Samsung hard drive. Ben dropped his external drive and it started making clicking sounds, a clear sign the read-write heads were damaged. I watched the senior technician diagnose this 500GB Samsung drive in their clean room. If your drive clicks, power it off immediately. It means damaged heads can't read data and continued use risks scratching the platters permanently. The technician found this was a Samsung drive in a Seagate enclosure, very common. While the heads were damaged, the platters were fine. Payam has an 85% success rate with these mechanical failures. Using their inventory of over 35,000 spare parts, they found compatible donor heads, matching the exact model and specifications. In the clean room, the technician performed the delicate head swap procedure. Result? Ben's drive came back to life. All 310GB recovered, family photos, documents, personal files, etc. The process took 3 business days and cost between $1,750 to $3,500 Australian dollars, depending on urgency. Ben got his irreplaceable memories back safely. To prevent data loss, follow the 3-2-1 backup rule. 3 copies of data, 2 different drives, 1 stored on the cloud. Payam Data Recovery serves all of Australia with offices in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide and Perth, plus international mail-in services. Thanks for watching.